stable as our inflatables. All right. Here we go, and hopefully I don't die. Near as stable as our inflatables. All right. Here we go, and hopefully I don't die. It's a beautiful morning out here. It is so calm. So I thought I would seize the opportunity while the lake was still calm to come out for a morning paddle. A lot of the mornings we start out, the lake is just like glass. It's beautiful. Then the wind kicks up, and then starts with a ripple, and then we end up with some good waves, and then a lot of times it's kind of wavy during the day, and then if we're lucky it settles back down again at night and we can get out for a nice pontoon ride. But this morning she's staying calm for a little bit longer than she normally does, so that's pretty awesome. Yeah, there's bugs out here though. Man, I thought, oh, I'll get out on the water and I'll be able to kind of get away from the bugs a little bit, but no, the buggers are following me out here. There's a different bug kind of flying around, and I don't know what it is. I think it might be like baby dragonflies, because they're not bothering me. They're going after the little black flies that are going around me. And so it's okay. They can swarm around me. That's okay, as long as they eat these ones that bite me. So, which is fine. But yeah, so anyway, just a nice calm little morning over a paddle. Swatting the bugs. Frickin' bugs. Does it really get any prettier than that? Gosh. Show you my view around me here. This up behind me. Look at that. Isn't that something? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Make our way back. I want to take a minute and thank you guys for watching, following us along. Hope you enjoyed this paddle here this morning. If you enjoy this video, love it if you'd give us a like, subscribe. If you think you got a friend that would enjoy our videos, please share this video up with them as well. And again, thanks for watching. I hope you have a beautiful day. The lake stayed calm the entire way. It's gonna be a good day. So, coming up to the dock, See if I can get out of this thing without flipping it over. We usually use our inflatable kayaks. They're really stable and they're easy to get in and out of. But this is just a regular hard-sided kayak. It's a lot more tippy. It's a lot more tippy. So it's been my first time getting out of it. I didn't fall getting in. Fingers crossed I don't fall getting out. It's not very deep. But we'll see. See if I can do it. I don't know. That'd be something. Get all the way to the dock and flip it over. We're gonna crash. All right, here we go. I can't get up. I didn't fall in. I didn't fall in, but I had to step out. Couldn't get up on the dock. That's okay. Practice. I'll get there. She's beauty day.
So luminescent vibe.